Hi, dear friends. Welcome to our new lesson, Make Simple English Talk. I'm so glad you are here today with me. If you are with me here today, then I know your importance to be here today. You want to improve your English and want to become a perfect English speaker. You want to speak smoothly when you're talking to new people, when you talk to friend, when you go to new places, or on work. And let's discuss something from the start. You can become a speaker, a native English speaker. Many learners ask me, is that true? That if you use long sentences, then you are a good English speaker, and using advanced words make you advanced English speaker. But not as like, that's not something as like that. If you speaking smoothly, without long pausing, the sentence may be short, words may be easy, but you speak with smoothly, clearly, with rhythm, making good expression, without hesitation, then you are a good speaker. There is no doubt. And that is how English speaker or native English speaker talk in English. And that's why today's lesson is about. We will learn together like a friendly gathering. You will listen what I'm saying. You will repeat after me, and you will learn so quickly. We will learn daily life conversation, using easy words, and then I will give you short challenges. By the end of this lesson, you will speak smoothly. You can be able to use easy sentences in conversation, and make a good English practice gathering with friends. So let's begin with hello, hi conversation. Because this the start, or if you say that this is the heart of every conversation, that's not be bad. This is the starting step of every conversation. Most people just take a start with hello or how are you? Then pause. Nothing to say more. This is not the problem that you can't speak English. The problem is most people does not know what to say next, how to continue the conversation, and that's what we will talk about in today's video. Let's take a movement and think about it. You meet to someone and just want to start a conversation with him without using hard words or advanced English style. By the way, that's not important. So let me describe it simply. Imagine you goes on the street. A person meets to you. You say, "Hi, how are you?" The other person replies, "I'm fine, how about you?" Then you reply, "I'm fine, thank you." That is how people start conversation. It's easy, it's simple, no need of any difficult words. This how people start conversation. But that's not the end of conversation. Actually, this is the start. You can continue more and more. For example, you can ask about a daily routine. How's your day going? And then the other one must be answer to you. I'm going well. Thanks for asking.